Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we are going to learn what is the use of destructuring in JavaScript version 6. Let's understand what is destructuring. So for example, we have a variable like var and I have a array of this and I say 12, 34, 56. These are three values in this array, and with the help of destructuring what I can do, I just say let or var or constant whatever I want to use, and I say x, y and z equal to values. Now I just use console.log to display this values with the help of tilde operator, that x equal to, we say x, y equal to, I say y, and z equal to this one, and I save it and I run it, and you see the x equal to 12, y equal to 34, z equal to 56. So this is the array, and this array value we are going to destructure, or we are to passing the initializing this value in these three variables, individual variables. So here we have a array notation, we also having a array notation, and with the help of let or var or constant you can create the variable, and we are passing this and we are displaying this information here. Similarly, if we have a object type of structure and I say obj values, and we have a object like this, I say x equal to this one, y equal to this one, and z equal to this one, like this if we have. So we can also have this type of a structure like this, and I say x equal to x, y equal to y, and z equal to z, and here I say obj values. Similarly, I can display this information with the help of console here like this, and I save it and I run it, and x is already declared. Okay, so I just change the name here, xx and yy and zz, because x is already declared x, y, z, so I have to change the name. So what I do, I just say a and I say b and I say c. So I change it a and I change it b and I change it c, because it's a let, and let is only allowed to declare same kind of variable once, not twice. So save it and I run it. Oh, that is b, that is b. Again I run it, and you see 23, 45, 78. So I can change the variable also. This is the x1, so I change to a, this is y, I change to b, this is c, z, and I change to c. So I can rename also, and with from the object also I can retrieve, from the array also I can retrieve, you see, by using this destructuring object, destructuring parameter or operator. Now one more thing I can do, that suppose I have data like this, I have an array, and in this array if I have an object like I say name, and I just put here name Dr. Vipin Kumar, and one more thing I say qualification like this, and qualification, it's a key, and I say the value is PhD, for example. One more value I just insert here, copy and paste, and here I put some other value mtech, and I remove this one because no other value is there, and I say here Sachin Kumar, like this. So I can use here for loop, and here I say const or where or let, whatever you want to put, and I use this operator, and I say name, and I say qualification like this of data. You see, we are using data here, and here I can display console.log here in tilde operator that name equal to, and I just put name here, and qualification equal to, and I put their qualification like this, and I save it and I run it, and you will see that all the information we are retrieving here, maybe any number of values are there. Maybe here we have a 2, but we may have a more value also. In this array I have a object values, and from those object value I am retrieving a value, name and qualification. Remember that here name is small letter. If I say capital letter like this, it may generate error. You see, if I run it, so it may generate error, that means undefined, because these names should be match. So it should be capital. Remember this, that these names should be matched. Now we have the value here. I have to pass here n capital, sorry, this here should be capital like this, and I run it, and you see the value is coming properly. So this name and this name should match, this name and this name should match, and it will retrieve the value one by one from this with the help of for loop. And we can use this type of destructuring facility of JavaScript version 6. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.